Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop autoplay video in Facebook. So first, you just have to simply open your Facebook application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. Here you need to tap on your profile, click your profile, and on the profile section, you have to look for the gear icon, or let's just say the settings and privacy. So tap on settings and privacy here. And on the settings and privacy, what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down and look for preferences. So you have to scroll down here. Under preferences, you should see the option media. So once you found media right here, you have to click this media feature or option, tap this one. Now under the media, you will see the following. What you're going to do is you have to scroll down and look for autoplay and feed stories. As you can see, if you go to this section, you will see on mobile and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, and never. So you have to click or tap on never. In order for you to stop autoplay video and Facebook, you have to select this one. However, you can change it anytime. So basically, this is what it looks like. You have to simply tap on never. Now, if you go to your Facebook and still encounter autoplay issues, you just have to go to your Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and if you see an update button right here, you need to tap on update. Wait as it is processing. Once done, then you can now launch the Facebook application and see if this method works. And that's how to stop autoplay video in Facebook. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.